Good morning, grade 3. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? I hope all the concepts we learned in chapter 11 are clear to you. So we'll do the questions from revision station today. So all of you please take your math textbook, turn to page number 161. Let's look at the questions. The first one, choose the correct answer. Which one of the following adds up to 15 rupee? So you can see three choices here. The first one, in choice A, you can see 2 10 rupee note. So what is the total amount here? 2 10 rupee or 2 into 10 gives you a total amount of 20 rupee. Now the next one, in choice B, you can see a 10 rupee note, 2 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin. So here the total amount will be 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So here the total amount is 15 rupee. Now in the third choice you have a 10 rupee and 2 2 rupee coins. So here the total amount is 10 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. So which is the correct choice here? Which is the choice that adds up to 15 rupee? It is choice B. So you may put a tick mark there. Now let's see the next one. The second question, a pencil costs 8 rupee 25 paise. The cost of 3 such pencils is. How do we find it? We know the cost of 1 unit or 1 pencil. You have to find out the total cost of 3 pencils. How can we do that? Just multiply the cost of 1 pencil by 3. Now let's see. So the cost of 1 pencil is equal to 8 rupee 25 paise. So the cost of 3 pencils will be equal to the cost of 1 pencil into 3. And that is equal to 8 rupee 25 paise into 3. And that equals a total amount of 24 rupee 75 paise. So the correct choice here is the choice A. So you may put a tick mark on choice A. Now let's see the third question. 215 paise can also be written as. So we have already learned how to convert from paise to rupee and from rupee to paise. So what is the correct choice here? See, 215 paise can be written as 200 paise plus 15 paise for the ease of conversion. And what is this 200 paise? It is equal to 2 into 100 paise plus the 15 paise. And we know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. The equivalent of 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So we can rewrite this step as 2 into 1 rupee plus 15 paise. And what is 2 into 1 rupee? 2 into 1 equals 2 itself. So that can be written as 2 rupee plus 15 paise, which can be written in short form as rupees 2 and 15 paise. So 215 paise can be written as 2 rupee 15 paise. So the correct choice here is choice A. Hope you understood. Now let's move on to the next question. Here for questions 4 to 6, refer to the following pictures. Here you can see the picture of a pen, a pencil and an eraser. The cost of a pen is equal to 15 rupee. The cost of a pencil is equal to 10 rupee and the cost of an eraser is equal to 5 rupee. Now let's have a look at the questions that follow. The pen costs dash more than the eraser. What is the cost of the pen? The cost of the pen is equal to 15 rupee. And what is the cost of an eraser? It is equal to 5 rupee. So how much more is the cost of pen than that of the eraser? See, what you have to do? You have to just subtract the cost of both the items. So the cost of the pen is 15 rupee, cost of the eraser is equal to 5 rupee. The difference is equal to 15 minus 5, which is equal to 10. So you can say the pen costs 10 rupee more than the eraser. Hope it is clear to you. Now the next one, the cost of 2 pencils and dash erasers is the same. So here what you have to do? See, what is the cost of 1 pencil? The cost of 1 pencil is equal to 10 rupee. So the cost of 2 pencils will be equal to 10 rupee into 2 and that is equal to 20 rupee. Now what is the cost of 1 eraser? 1 eraser costs rupees 5. Now you have to find out how many erasers will cost you the same cost of 2 pencils, which means you have to find out how many erasers will cost you a total of rupees 20. So rupees 5 into dash is equal to rupees 20. So what should come here? What should be multiplied with 5 to get 20? We know 5 fours are 20. So 4 erasers will cost you a total of 20 rupee. So the correct choice here is choice B, 4. Now the sixth question. The cost of 2 pens and 3 erasers is. How do we find this? We know the cost of 1 pen and the cost of 1 eraser. From this, we can easily calculate the cost of 2 pens and 3 erasers. So, the cost of 1 pen is equal to 15 rupee. Hence, the cost of 2 pens will be equal to rupees 15 into 2 and that is equal to rupees 30 because 15 into 2 is equal to 30. Now, what is the cost of 1 eraser? The cost of 1 eraser is equal to 5 rupee and hence the cost of 3 erasers will be equal to rupees 5 into 3 which is equal to a total of rupees 15. Now, what is the total cost? How do we find the total cost? Just add up the cost of 2 pens and the cost of 3 erasers and you'll get the total cost. So that is equal to rupees 30 plus rupees 15 which is equal to a total of rupees 45. See, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So that is a total of 45 rupee. So which is the correct choice here? The correct choice here is the choice B, rupees 45. So I hope these questions are clear to you. Now let's move on to the next one. Question number 7. Dash rupees 50 notes make rupees 300. So what do you have to find out? You have to find out how many 50 rupee notes will equal to or will add up to a total of rupees 300. So the question is dash into rupees 50 is equal to rupees 300. So how do we find out what is the number of notes or number of 50 rupee notes that is required to add up to a total of rupees 300? That is, you have to find out what should be multiplied to 50 to get 300. How do we do that? Just divide 300 by 50 or more specifically, you have to divide 300 rupee by 50 rupee. So, what is it? What should be multiplied with 50 to get 300? 50 sixes are 300. So, how do we do this division easily? See, the question is to divide 300 by 50. Both this 300 and 50 are multiples of 10. So, you can just cancel out using the common factor 10 in both the numerator and denominator. So, 300 divided by 10 is equal to 30 and 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. So, it is 30 divided by 5 now. And what is 30 divided by 5? It is equal to 6. We know 5 sixes or 6 fives are 30. So, here the answer is 6. So, how many 50 rupee notes you require to add up to rupees 300? It is equal to 6 50 rupee notes. So, which is the correct choice here? The correct choice here is the choice B, 6. Hope you understood. Now, the next one, question number 8. Let's read the question. Rajveer bought a crayon set for 55 rupee 35 paise and a notebook for 22 rupee 50 paise. He gave 100 rupee to the shopkeeper. He received a balance of dash. So, what you are asked to find out? You are asked to find out what is the balance amount he received upon giving 100 rupee to the shopkeeper after buying a crayon set and a notebook. So, how do we calculate this? First, we need to know what is the total cost of these two items. And then we can easily find out whether or not he received a balance amount and how much it is. So, let's see the steps. The total cost is equal to the cost of a crayon set plus the cost of a notebook. So, that is equal to 55 rupee 35 paise plus 22 rupee 50 paise. And let's do the sum in the working column. Here we have the amounts written in the proper way for the addition. So let's start adding the paise part first. So here we have 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then moving to the rupee part, we have 5 plus 2, 7. Then again 5 plus 2, 7. So the total cost of the two items is equal to 77 rupee 85 paise. And in the question it is mentioned that he gave 100 rupee to the shopkeeper. Now, if he gave 100 rupee to the shopkeeper, what would be the balance amount he will receive? It would be 100 rupee minus the total cost of the two items. So that is 100 rupee minus 77 rupee 85 paise. Let's do the subtraction in the working column. Starting from the paise column, here we have 0 paise minus 85 paise. Can we do this subtraction? No. So let's borrow 1 rupee, which is equal to 100 paise, from the rupee column and give to the paise column. So in the paise column we will have 100 paise, and in the rupee column we will have 99 rupee, because we gave 1 rupee or 100 paise to the paise column. Now in the paise column we have 100 paise minus 85 paise, which is equal to 15 paise. Now in the rupee column we have 99 rupee minus 77 rupee, which is equal to 22 rupee. So what is the balance amount? He received a balance amount of 22 rupee 15 paise. So which is the correct choice here? The correct choice here is the choice C, 22 rupee 15 paise. Now the ninth question. Tick the incorrect sentence. You are given 4 sentences here. Let's go through them one by one. So the sentence A, 5 2 rupee coins make rupees 10. Is it correct? Yes, because 5 into 2 rupee. 5 2 rupee coins will add up to, or is equal to, a total of rupees 10. Now the second statement, statement B, 4 5 rupee coins make rupees 25. So 4 5 rupee coins means it is 4 into 5 rupee, and that is equal to a total of 20 rupee. And here in the question it is given us 25 rupee. So is that sentence correct? No, the sentence is wrong. So the sentence B should be marked as incorrect. Now let's go through the third one. 10 1 rupee coins make rupees 10. Let's see. 10 into 1 rupee, that is equal to 10 rupee itself. So that sentence is correct. Now the last one, 8 5 rupee coins make rupees 40. 8 into 5 rupee coins is equal to a total amount of 40 itself. So all the sentences, sentence A, sentence C and sentence D are correct sentences, while sentence B is incorrect. So that is the sentence. Sentence B is the sentence that should be ticked. Now the last one, question number 10. If 2 chocolates cost 55 rupee 50 paise, then the cost of 1 chocolate is. So what is given in the question? The cost of 2 chocolates is given. From that, how do we find the cost of 1 chocolate? Just divide the total cost by 2, the total number of chocolates, and then you'll get the cost of 1 chocolate. So let's do the division. The total cost is equal to 55 rupee 50 paise, and it has to be divided by 2. So the first digit 5, 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2. We know 2 2s are 4. Let's write it here. Subtract the numbers. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Bringing the next digit down, here we have 15 now. Now 15 divided by 2. What is it? It is equal to 7. We know 7 2s are 14. Now subtracting the numbers, here we have 15 minus 14 is equal to 1 here. Now there is a dot to separate the rupee part and the paise part. We are going to bring down the next digit, which is from the paise part. So here we have 15 again. So 15 divided by 2, again 7. 7 2s are 14. Now subtracting the numbers, we have 1 here again. Now bringing the next digit now, it is 10 here. Now 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now 5 2s are 10. Subtracting the numbers, we get 0. So we got the quotient 27 rupee 75 paise, which is the cost of 1 chocolate. So what is the correct choice here? The choice is choice B, 27 rupee 75 paise. So you may Tick that choice. So children, I hope all the questions we did today are clear to you. Now go through all the concepts once again and also all the exercise we did once again. Then you have to do a worksheet as homework. This is from page number 162 of your textbook. So once you are done with the worksheet, you can take a picture and send us through Teams. So we have come to the end of chapter 11. That's all for today. We'll see the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.